Ayun, para sila nagkakaroon ng diamonds. Eh, di ba magkakaroon ka lang naman ng dias pag nag-RC ka? Hi, Pulubi. Hi, Win. Oh, okay. Ano mangyayari sa akin nun? Ano mangyayari sa akin pag nadrapan ako ng illegal na ano? Hmm, pwede pala yun. Hi, next. Hi, Jemes. Hello. Hi, Takike. Hi, dito. Mag-end na ako, guys. Muna. Thank you for following. Ah, okay. Hindi nila makukuha, no? Hello. Kicker, thank you. Uy, thank you. Thank you so much, Kicker. Thank you for following. I just followed you back. Oh, that's a pickleball? A pickleball? Ah, no, Kicker. It's soccer, right? Soccer pala. Nagkain ka na po. Thank you so much. Hi, Cherry. Hi, Mr. Toad. You playing soccer, Kicker? Hi, Mr. Toad. Hi, Richard. Welcome. Kicker, thank you. Thank you so much, the Kicker. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Such a generous of yours. Umalis na. Oo nga, nakita ko. Where are you from, the Kicker? Umalis na pala. Tres na lang, kulang ko 800 na. Hi, Dennis. Ano bang magandang 5K na gift? Ito, may bago, Pantheon Alliance. Panton Alliance. Mag-end na muna ako, par. Babay muna, par. Mamaya na lang ulit. Ah, okay. Sige. Hindi ako nagpapa-up. Okay, sige, bye-bye. Later na lang. Thank you so much. Hi, Beto. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you.